Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to briefly discuss how you can improve your daily energy levels with food. And a key way is to support your mitochondrial health. In case you don't know, the mitochondria are the energy producing factories of our cells. There are many nutrients that support these powerful factories that are found within all of our body cells. A prime example are polyphenols that act as prebiotics. Foods such as berries are a great source, and these polyphenols actually feed our gut microbes like Akkermansia that will then convert them into a substance called urolithin A, which is a compound that is needed to maintain health of our mitochondria. And this is by removing the damaged mitochondria and enhancing the ability to replace them. So note that these urolithin compounds that are so vital for our cellular energy, they are made only from our gut bacteria, but do not come from the actual food. And many of my clients have told me how their energy improves after making these dietary additions, such as eating more foods high in polyphenols or having a smoothie packed with various berries. And another and more obvious way to use food to improve energy is to eat foods that keep your blood sugar stable. That is foods such as healthy protein, healthy fats, and fibers with meals. So if you're going to have that slice of toast in the morning, make sure you pair it with some avocado or almond butter, or even better, some kind of animal protein or tofu on the side. This way, prevent that blood sugar roller coaster that can dip our energy during the day and cause low energy. So, that is my message for today. Please subscribe and like below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Be well.